Hello, agus fáilte hiic na seanslaí mas maiid seans wacu glochiad ar na seanslaí is mu siúmi go le cara agus níar na botún ar bí in sin agus mud ag tasnú or muid in é tasnú ar jaithú sráid don pod. Dách réite tá muid punte seo dar ó mujingin the Simpsons seo like in peak agus just go éí wad níos másó seo Tá man seo Mars ré lemod cóleachí lemod chuide ar dúspáir man seo le bhuiir aine go timmarthe.
Ja, go mai ach tásúla gom nach an peak mana cai go mé ahan ar dúfasa a é seo gur seo an rud is fearr dhéanaí mud riú leis an budcréile that rá it's just downhill a ligin seo.
Well, ira se níos massa ach bé like Lady Gaga ag teachtar an podcast. So, beidir tá like
Bliana Labhraíonn.
Yeah, máscan de rudí maithí gazálach agus a cant faoi duine tá máscan de rudí maithí gazálach tá man seo fásta le James ó Florida. James, timmarthe.
Cumá, yeah, go pléin a ríist. Cúpa seach amachchar de seach ó nó de bhí a tafud go leir dí tarlaí. Tá go bra, tá sé actually go bra an gáile for once ach, took an Amsterdam jazz an gáile Mount Fover, which is never ideal. Ach, yeah, can't complain.
Ar dús sulir pásan mu an crack mar ceart just geir chu an tham dearna a bhí mu flé ar agran dearna chuoi má na an show beá as Electric Picnic agus an bhfuil si recovered go fáil because I think mi se cancellat an chartings by heart endings ví tas like go fáil like 6 scrista.
Tá me sílam go mar han lémanis ach lach sé breise seachtain cabbí hí an céad coppla láni é an Jackar agus an bblion genam Dermot gur cheartúna le hinnta sin na lacu síar an obair ach dearn tú letain bhfuil ní fiúí de go lacu mar níon mar le hinnta sira ar leir cuneo min na le hinnta sin fa chunne dul sira ach bíon tú marú agus an bblion nar on mudí sin as ní sinne tá sé níos dulí teachtar as go té in é so sílam beartar breise seachtain cabbí ag lach sé armsa go dé fuúsa.
Fiú mu níos fearr, but ní me sé gáil sin an rud le ní me sé mar 365 Party Girl mar chutar Charlie XCX. Ní me sé genú sin.
Sílam gur James an 365 Party Girl a haní sta.
Oh, absolutely.
Ní me sé abad chuine sús le James.
Don Amble bhí sin, he made quite an impact. Jimmer bhí this James, Jimmer White this Martin Jaloon.
Oh yeah, grand. Just it's just another day in the office, so Neil ski fótam ó chun, so it's just about keep trucking along. It's there shaftany just still a bit nuts, good yeah, bhín der shaftany sin mental agus sin der shaftany was a bit mental reach, and then yeah, it just keeps going.
So long as not gurn with Jay or kind on the spinners all war shin rud this tower.
Yeah.
You shouldn't mass in that ain't all hand if you gentle good the shouting it.
Yeah.
I think shin rud the occurs jahart and made smoke.
Just it knocked the wind machasum agus ní romana mo chosa wahu ní smooth na dada. We just gone agus literally just imocht.
Vi mission mar sort cran taka the James and Edo Chachtan Raidson agus just darí dearcús aige bhí an páirsaach bhí sé né just go le duine go limp go fisiciúil agus go i buint le páirsaach aige ní rud a bhí fácha aige ní raibh foiiniú fách aige bhí ar just síí ar talú agus just analú ní Jamesú Lord níach mé riú go cún seo é.
Bhí sé brutal Tá choránam ar na fucking rollercoasters really sin
a gotí an tú é.
Obviously we call these ass on, so she not fall. She's falling in them root a bit. Not falling in them root a bit, all right?
We mission as Killian he's an Talu Garker. We group more those suits. Agus we she'd a link so excited, like we in the lads a gatushat. A genu manga gairy as a Jenny Earth wave alarm. Costole páiste dul gan an as bhí James just ar cool an scoine den grúpa agus ag stáú an talú as bhí whitelá na lá as bhí sé just a tugal agus an sinna gon crasher an talú as bhí go go sé Jenny Earta héna olú ví go dé bhí chat.
ó
Like
grammar.
níl me scared a hoist na tada is just ní chrostum no friggin rickety machines sin atá no friggin carnies like
Yeah.
Sinna
so
fá nachnear na mise é. Bhí mé skillín go búir an talú gar súsarú like our babies.
I think the guy Virginia Siri anu le cella more childlike. I think the guy much call hey in la road, Six Flags style road
No.
nah Tato Park Badger Emerald Park Nancy
No.
Roll,
No.
No? I think we
No.
amber again. It's Brad Lumsey it's we mish fall crap again up here in the though.
Fanny Mission an talú was our marriage.
Let's a camera.
Mom!
It can't be roller coasters. It can't be emotional roller coasters of your show and chatting's by heart. And cashed it bell a handle an graph bubble or a handle in your room can't law and worship take a deal of high Oasis. Like you're chatting it.
Níor riil mé dad.
No mé.
You're sure you're trially Dell?
No.
Lads.
But bhí mis san idal agus bhí mo cara ag tríal agus díirí leis dul tríd an scoine lig agus nar hána sé heag an pointse le tiid a cheannach híl siad gur bas a bhíán meall agro sé haar leir so níhhuiir sé a hicédí. So just dark mar sin as hí meid what níl an stras as an bhrú sin níálar me híl.
Fair. Margaro an strus agus an brew ag bunt leis.
Yeah.
Armsa. Harvach bhí an armsa gur an callú an bus le gáil go athlón. Like bhí mis chun an obair a callú do wear the ticketí seo. Like fin
For to eat.
ach for maiad. For maiad. Nis níor chaith ma €400 arthú. Tá sin just crackáilte agus scanalach. Chaith ma like 180 an cin arthú le bhéir, which is go fáil níos an sir.
Sin le trí seaca.
Yeah, but listen, Firma Gilma can like hold as video gum like taking the lads. So vi
ticket céad ochtu.
Vi ticket céad sin da sin leve is the lower Cusack like sa carnial. Vi should ein road either so Jeremy goes is ein either Oxford agus whatever, but like near Holmisha Akvi Daniel Wang a word ticket ag €8 agus an sin chuisiid suasca ar dúspáir chuisiid suasca dí sin timpplair céad chuige an sin whatever, and then bhí like na pakistí sin on the like platinum whatever ticketí whatever agus bhí sin like €2 agus an sin the in-demand seating rud whatever or standing bhí sin like €100.
Sin rud is massa an in-demand seating is cuilam fiú leis na Coldplay tickets bhí de chuirtú tríchéad seascah bhaine an ticket. Nervy mess is going sin, but tá sé có cruúach. Like go leat costas ahrú ar harga I lár é,
Well, the Ticketmaster a genuine le fad an le sin an rud like there's the genuine le blianti just Hall America though. So ní se ag tarlú in seo mar cheap like níro cad acu anu in seo basically like I guess go fáil technically níl cad acu anu. It just go should kill the in on a trade and colac de hain in near cadig dingy a genu total or whatever like near cadig good tickety a yield or costs needs urge na Cannington tickety da but the cadig na colac yanu tough again so
and concept just crackle mar has go Michael she'd go of it in demand agus gorahi go jockey a hand listen take edition mechanics na my can be focus so is cert like braig omlane and bun sin a bheith agad ag an tús mar tascú goil se gáil dul náide she'd ré goil she'd gone down an price after.
Just ask him a Ticketmaster and sin just le check a yenu agus fuil lehar le ha in dónach to ticket a wang or file right verified pre-sale ticket so like like kinda na can cad acu ideally tain quick céad sa €6 agus fi quick cent riv the fees le
dul gonna eat sin.
Hey, what's your Jeep dingy behind the tickety the Shasart or the €100 because they're just lane tickety or file agus an sin bhí daine an the bhí dingy ar cheanning the tickety sin so the dingy ar chait like simpler an €100 or seo idir cost she fees is really mar sin because I just crackle you like just absolutely crackle you well ein act and nhan sin dá like bhfuil aon duine bhfuil tú like all right you know díolann or you can like €100 le haid an duine seo.
Nílas gom.
Ein sad boys James na sure that's eáil na sure fáil cearcéid.
No, I think what more the king of sad boys that you can fucking €100 ticket. No, fairness. Jeez.
Mhm.
Like ceolchoirm, you know, but an écinn €100 le ticket le hí on Champions League final. Yeah, Kevin get
Yeah.
100%. Like leis a Super Bowl what I sin saoir. Well,
Yeah.
definitely, yeah, 100%. Agus in the NBA finals, yeah. But yeah, ceolchoirm, not a fucking fear.
A bhí an gohí go an sport ra. Bhí is go I was like
Yeah.
in 100% like cushion. In fairness, Jeek Mission the WrestleMania.
A conní tú céhéad lá de
Yeah.
triginní. Bhí féile omlan sin. Bhí mé Derek Smeeter sin íchan daoine was céad chuige ar Electric Picnic ach fecinn tú trucha show éagsú, not show one.
Yeah. It's in Rudson though of bhí mai géistáil an daoine a phlé seo ag cáint fhí an méid seo whatever. Agus in Rudathon is that like bhí daoine fána sa scoine ar fá like uair le eileisteach like cear go much like uair or whatever. Agus it's the high ruddingart nar harla the quick blian jeg agus agus you know beidir go to absolutely gafa leis an banachol or whatever. Even if you think in nachro gafa leis banachol just mar an hyper fad bhí to like okay caiim a bhéin seo. Agus so they're fine to hig and Jerry in the scoine agus fecinn to go and dóhain to chun iad eil ná le ich €100. Like did they go smooth you well money ecum said the thing eile chun iad canart agus and sin ní bheith ein chance go mí del like it's in you know scarcity that road or whatever sin fag was the non kill fall hiú leis. Nus ní like cart or Harvey but like sin a daiger sin I'd say in leiscal or sin a daiger harlish a grodingy Sasta leis an méid níic.
Yeah, so panic buying. Muna back into an issue. Forever hold your peace and you want to re-reach.
Yeah, bhí me beagnach réití le ráchéad ar Coldplay. Bhí me beagnach Jim.
Ní me se ní
bhéinte.
Really?
Caihín would Lord fao Chris Martin cosnocht ar Grafton Street and Jonathan Cacha ag kind of war an oras again. Jay a bhí sé smuitiúir thug le chinas a fiocasús ar Grafton Street thug le níd le leistead i bundus.
Be like yeah like Lair Jay go ganis you know.
Cos a glas aige.
The grippers. Sorry James and Nika tu sin le Coldplay Nika cead dúir le Coldplay.
Ráchéad yeah bhí me gar gomáth sa deire mé all like an production a bhín sa Coldplay like tá ridiculously má like you know agus like didn't do dermot sin I came over mat actually acu agus chomáile sin wachtú méid éirecht an leis an Gaeilge agus like bhí siad unsustainable as gachar mar hin so you like rudí mar hin nuair tá actúirteach an ghead sin obair le a bheith cho tíide sin ar slua I gach tíd like obviously like vís acu an éan gomachán le trí iche agus like détar si bheith Labhraíonn agus gan Trá beh acu an Gaeilge like show céan a copy and paste with cholle cheantar bio but no like ring siad iirecht special to it's like loads Gaeilge chuchan king so like yeah like act mar sin céif an géad dé can gháiche dúr le gáil acu is bhí mar gar but sin dimin ticket I don't know cinná an imime se but bhí sé éimi nuair chum seach rééis but
an walk tú gnéine si rudding at nar bheith like tuú dinge ar an state basically le víniu goéhí because we rudí on la like responds sin agus like this nordí sá so bhí dinge Swiss ar an state ag víniu sin dá daoine but sin bhí Ashur Etchell Seansálaithe O'Malley Seansálaithe the fucking boy and lad Gaeilge gentaga agus in the méid sin Claire agus Scanner or whatever like prime Gael ar an state ag genuine víniu agus bhí se ho ganhar cos bheith dingy bheith banan agus bhí si víniu like Sean ag bhí míniu I Merla agus bhí an yard whatever and then Ger Seansálaithe and Rud Cearna a hangéad agus ráing yay
Bhí sé ráradí like ná buinú sad as we're good phone pokey and then Ger gachan woo
Bhí se hógramhar, bhí sé thó gas.
Is don go dar go tuairisc ó fi bhíon a dhéanú cean na hínta go maiid
Yeah, bhí
den difriú lecu,
like,
yeah.
bhí sé like
Cá-
whole
cá-
class like agus láir Chris Martin Gaeilge.
Well,
Tháinig
yeah,
mar sin.
ná ghlach sé coppla uair é hiiscint, just leis an dara Albert dúirte ach
Yeah, ní thug mé go fáil. Dúir mé.
Look, ringe sé éirecht dó.
Ó ring sé ar céh an géad,
yeah, yeah, run sé iad sin bríomhrod. Yeah,
Yeah.
haspan sé meas.
So yeah, I think gur sé class agus bhreanna sé just in style shoes chudred it was ran se epic like agus like tá ceol class acu in fairness so like yeah céfan géad bhí mar réiti
Wait then.
Sorry, sorry, just dark mar Skyline. There's change agus Andy gan am Kieran just watch.
okay ní sib ná rá nachhfuil
couple-
acu like
Tá couple á ní
Tá coppla antam acu, but tá
Yeah.
go seis go maiid.
like an orange sin a bhí a canú ar Grafton Street.
Oh,
Like-
stop.
Níl se tá mai, but
no like ní
Um,
cin
Bhí sé
orní
có
so
agus
This
ní
is what I
mé
mean,
líon
like,
ar bailach bhí eile bhí Chris Martin có bán.
oh yeah, because
Bhí sé déine iireachta bheith cool
Good head.
agus rapal agus dasa de cinna le dhéanú and forma ic.
But I think like and agus take me like in cost station or whatever.
Mhm.
But just ní bhéin se there's like but I know like dúr lom yeah some convéidir and either like sé Coldplay can na banny ceol beá is fair a
Yeah.
tarsúil fi le her like dingy táte go mar who nachhfuil fans got Coldplay like ar Harby but he's just like all right you're rahamach on the deck like you know shock up to the end whatever and then they're completely converted so I go like okay no kai my deck on the shahanam
Mhm.
but that should like an area that can be tour to the end like just lie and show be all like
Ba chula mé gur bé go bonúsa an show díra chéine é is ar rinne siad wat chuig sé blian ó hen é
Mhm.
bar broki ní arin siad an setlist a churbe it's just sort
I
si
mean-
genú at goor den rud céine is for gonne blianta.
yeah well I mean sin the ruddy's fair no the rest of the year is all like you know feably and 100 bunch of shows so
Yeah.
um
Tá formula go webrin.
Ahanrod on Cad album Swiskaji I'd even argue Milo's Isla too but definitely Swiskaji Viva La Vida that's really mine
Yeah.
then and then a couple of banger
Cadú rá like le probably mí anús like tá act massive fééis take go éing like
Yes.
just huge like
See, man, literally just a country shower margin agus dingy like AC/DC Bruce Springsteen agus Foster or fought the park and Croaky which was like the whole
Yeah.
thing where it was like oh like you know kind of a like nyasogin kivid and machta cadoging Mo will just like
Gur
And
cum
it's-
lóis.
you're coming up but it's
ach like
class.
tá an championship hard though like so
Yeah
like it's like nuair an chu can hard tá blian acu le hé an páirce chud characteríis like so it's,
Yeah.
you know ach yeah as I know nach chipsin mar fan but like tá mór goháin bhfuil teir seachtain seo agus tá sé sin absolutely huge i gáí America fá agus rud searms fao mór goháin na his walking like
His walking.
siúlan se staach ag a stadium like go dtíon Mike basically cos like boxer like being
gas.
killed the play out agus being walking dini leis so tá some like Vegas be like Tom Brady agus Mike Tyson siúla seach leis like agus like
hilarious
Kansas City ring se like Patrick Mahomes Travis Kelce agus
Classic.
it's like tóginn se dini way an átá se agus siúla seachlop nish in Aaron I'd say he'll just shoot a shot like I don't think he has the pull or the
no
context
Bishop Marty Morrissey agus
Daniel O'Donnell
Daniel O'Donnell agus go get them Morgan like
Scooter.
Sally yeah
Wang Higgins a scooter
for stilts well no but Ted from the acting like crackle more chat Gaharan at that class like undisputed like it's Rodin Tai go Kjol Bia into a chaka hair in a watch but like obviously the fair ledger Gary la Kjol Biog is la like giggany doc mai but just another way to at the current arms and on Costas that's just another like the giggany whole cost stuff we la her like giving him say was it 8 blian hunnish better shop blian hunnish go home like egal Radiohead is the arena I was gonna take it like €100 and I was like oh my god like €100 a high ticket you know and in fairness we should like egal Banachol nach rowan airing that like I think it was like chuig na sé blian revision agus ní roiste an airan ó hen. So it's seach blian ó bhí siad in airan ag seanim. Agus fi mar like, oh yeah, well €100 sin an USméid tá giganíis agus nus leí gidear seating caiim €108 ar Oasis ná. Even fiú like cai tú like €100 ar I don't know, thing nach nachhfuil ar an level cearna sin or nachhfuil like tú Harvard caiú €100 a han blian like le achta ceolbeidr. So that's really costa.
Tá sin cloiste goin like v America le blianta sé cloiste gom like ó caiite bheith sever le dul ceolchoirm America. Tá dír chéine tarlíonn Jonas. An taine a bhhí me chuína chud price níos na óír. Go mis le óír eice le an nolog sa 3 agus sin lá an ticket ach €65. And that's like unheard of in ish. Ticket of acquisition. Tatu kind build na €100 of when you got a small ticket in ish. So
Is ní bháin gohfuil agsmór takeing hí college football in éan agus hí Pat McAfee
Sorry.
in éan like
Jamer Vision I caiimiis cos bhí tusa an. Bhí tusa actually is tí sa pub.
Yeah, bhí me seo nach like I don't know bhí like fucsid pub like say nach fucsid a bhéir so I say go just chun pub an contact club to dí mar like ach like bhí méid began an go seach ag an actual áit sa bhí se agus sin bhí chulan eile just timp a pub I brandú ar a telly where bhí se faoi like bhí se level faoi like so bhí mis just brandú ar a televis like at one stage me bhí the wristband eile down bhí me gar aglah chuir but there was ESPN Nolam so that was a bit of a shit one ach yeah ní se ca aon an aglah chuir but yeah they're funny fuckers like bhí se státe agus chuún mis anyways sa ráide chuig bhí se státe bhí 7 cín go Guinnesses ótaige off the head agus man
what?
Like bhí se just knocking them back Guinness like
Nus bhí se fucked rib Jerry.
Yeah ach like tá show like ní gná sports talk show on like it's been piece of crack acu and they know they're like dúirtid like then the audiences now for loads complaints for in show and Aaron dúirtid like bhí se cuiochta like it basically ní rá in dialogues show or fad we should just like having the crack mar hin so I showed like medical navy just mach seo chulan na visa pub had a great time yeah like just vi dúir se an law riven show dúir se ma ecinn tú ma a goal substance dómh amach as glynne it's just coffee ton it's just coffee just don't get it wrong it's just coffee ton agus like ví this rá hiú gur a car that's a trad band agus like full of rá núma vi se just come rá trad band and then just hostach a trad and then just host a damson like it's a fucking hilarious
like gas
vi O'Neill's football like sáte like he fully embraced gachar
I'll be videos dá chuáilta ar Srad Grafton ag genú like solos or whatever ag reach agus tí an Srad le like buskers or whatever agus no deck an a bhí senim a bórán lá láting mar ó UCD a bhí senim is tí annaculis but dúirt se like crackáilte agus an sin ví a igen clíe fásta ví actually ar an park fásta
hín cléthe just mental like 27,000 Americani taki isteach go ballaclí a chun brandú seo agus like níos dúirt like an CEO go Aer Lingus Ruthkins like gro like níos sam seo ceartna isteach 18 tons a thug se ó America nún go éan le hín clé seo like idir daoine fóringe equipment like cheer squad like absolutely everything like it was ridiculous like we assault bikes acu ar a sideline just le bheith cuí te river op go isteach éis like it was unbelievable yeah
Ruth a Rio ar park in a Viva River like vision de headú ag siúl amachar na Viva
sinna chéidir siúl ar fork in a Viva yeah because I don't think ní ra ein cheol am go híán no vi me cap go rá ar park American football we were like raw actually we might park the Cowboys in Dallas Texas so yeah but no it's a class like I guess like we mis just cá hart a leroids ag like le alma dé agus like we might just cream like the bh se sin a Crow Park wach ma probably shot like wach ma catte le rifle rá go as a park.
Yeah.
It's like just like it cuts a cúne dána cro parktar hís, but yeah, bhíh just
No one puts baby in the corner.
No. Well, listen, so the Leroy catch a good in Sinaviva, and now we need to just and bring a lot of good to make through the point to kick all a park and rocky ish kind of
Actually, in return bark kind of or Dave Lena.
Yeah.
And we'll see.
Craigmonat. Hashtag Craigmonat. And fact is
turn in my necklace stitch.
Neil Mahanchina Kaihu.
Well, speaking of Credum, ní Credum go well and Conrad dúnadh.
Ní James.
No
Hassi.
Nah. Brishte.
Rud is massive that just his fucking bogus sus go ballach lia. Like seriously.
Rahin would you sure he might. Lauren Berla. Ugh. Yuck. Rhymes. Dicey's.
And rud is massive nach me and listen to you know because the net a duna she's in it, so it's fairlum Shaw ish Ghanaian fibony. You know, you're laying actually lock in a veil small. Listen, I know Gardy, I know listen, Visha Tarley. Oh, need Jake Shaska Shack and they're a dust.
Allegedly.
Listen, Yamahon a completely irregular Tarley and wink. But to just crack it, like Tamisha genuinely Tamakriverst like Neil Ain Diala le Kershi sir.
Yeah. Mohin Jeffrey Lar cosle nachwill archigwin because that Arsenal Dritcha Kamai Gashala Daffing said Dritchlet precious bliana ish stolum. So níl nationalú le dulma as couple focal Lord Lin Hela agus níl national Clianish go féidirlinn sinna. So cáhagan sin muid. Cíná tiglinn lig chocolate chéile mar grúpa.
Well, so táiste chun imachtaí agus rudí a chur fáil in etní eile le an acharú agus like Jering go iiri seo ag punche nar like roundy turn na etní cearan na ahanalú or whatever or like an reach whatever go made like Canada like designated spice a Willis good okay well you know mas they would carry Gaeilge literature you can chart whatever now got a model like Sean Etch or a vartime woods like all or whatever but again I'm caring that I just because need linge inspiration ní smó you know like ní you know bell magal like pub and chart whatever at balleis you know gra cholacht an etch ag con in the Gaeilge agus
mar mohin goes le girl a handed club
yeah
totally
Kevin Gate well ein cefní don club agad cin cefniú an is fear tugad don club agus James figure tú chum sí na stéir.
Well yeah Tásúlam go stoided as nu on anyways.
I don't know, kind of a spread on
no, like
Danshire a win in leis because
no.
on earth, you know.
Bhálum stoid a cart sinnar doháin. Ach nuair tá sé duine an pub nu bhálum go gcuine sé de character gon phob agus just ámod nu chuir seachán agus sinna é. Like má bhín se áisteach I like ceann the pub in the New Hampshire seo that can go very wrong agus ní bhééis agus as. Cá sé character, cá sé bheith ótimely pub, golóir ámod, seats really mí chumpartach because then tá ort all ní smú le fáil chumpartach. So that's the methodology team pull it. So you need that. Agus was at 100 a chuineáil mar a bhí. Like tá the eile an bheith New Hampshire an 100. Na leirish on staide, beidir even like a little wee seat lift at a staide for people like just not to fall she's, you know. You know. Corey Horsus, Corey níos fear Horsus.
Leirish a flushallen. Sin tain request dogums in an a leirish mar níl rudder bí ní Sally na Jerry hithe.
Oh yeah.
Isisiúil súsig de leirish. Just a flood al trust an urler.
Dantra.
Sílam go gadún súla cai siar ní ha bhíogan an le chéile mí feara mí Martha na ri muid ceile céad agran. Sin cean na chuimna cin dogamsa bhí a ní go speisialta agus chuir siad fáiltín a roin agus tháinig ar go cardide lig agus Yeah, bhí sé just do greite ní sin.
Well, bhí sé deadly. Bhí sé absolutely deadly. Agus fásta like ba sin ihe aró trad session arsúil agus from Virginia like takeaway a leir an rud
As bhí barí siúcrú a like, come on lads, cosún Ellen sin dú.
yes like the lads og Bart.
Well, how did she do that? We should do a customer touch it. Like Barry Sugar, right? Come on now, Sharon show. Cosle just mayor a sea she's a hen, you know, law with trust in my show as I ran. Come on, lads, costume element of machine. Cosle jukebox brew as Kalus York with lo. Just hussock sheet, just really go.
Bhí sé hilarious. No, tá mis like tá meid súil leis a bheith oscailte a rís. It's just cé ó ada tá sé le acu.
Sin bliana is fáda.
Like bhí muidir fád 30 like nuir tá se osclú like osclú.
Oh, stop.
Cin actually mis go much culturí breithlá ar fád. Sin ceis actual chuir den yard bhí like cin actual hiú. Cos sin natural má breithlá like
Oh, Bertie dinner with grab pub.
No, gaff parties. Gaffers could you
Yeah.
Do you know what? Ma haakse be sin mór an Club Chonradh sfeirle an de Gaeilge ar fád tartan seo agus Gaeilge leabhairt agus be an os ceanna leis an seamar cadre bhí an UCD fád an leithain a bhí an an ceanna tééis an asce agus a crackhé agad leis an méid bhí an. Tá mar ggurcar tan na plannaí ar fáil like na plannaí don fergnú ar fád. Agus tá sésta ra go dhearann siad go bhfuil siad chunig ten club go bheith go fáilún le nuas de fáil réile leis an club ar Harbí. Sin limdí bhí armsa le go go bheith cos te de chun caé a chuir teán inis in an shop a leor. Yeah. So bé airláán bé ranganí le fólamán bé an bé an shop a leorún agus bé caféí an fásta an am gearna agus sílam go airláán in am sa bheith ar thuúil. So
Cáhair rahí sin?
an actual an smoking area. Seo fá buní le smuitiú faoi gin trí bliana ní hé seo le Tá mar cruí bhirse le an méid stuff atá gentógam sa club agus an méid stuff nar carta bheith déanú sa club fásta tuis go le bheith dritis le trí blian le se ruí cos an le dearnach bh ascaite ná fiíachta agus sin ná cearna a bhfuil an féad a dorn snéir ar siú sáile agus ní féad le mé chaú le ní féidir lom an dúnadh an club a chaú má so
Well, be mé héana is James ingmáile lia an ine sin an ihe rih dó drúnú so béar an goiste an ihe sin bheith sé dro fééis a gan
Tá uhain eile don am dearna
Harrá bháinú fuchan your trí blian. Sure cehs cá mé muine ag an trí bliana thulann bheith in áit na difriúils dóin.
Bet sean go mé mu glacin be an babysitter amsú an leis an beidir go mé mu ná beidir a beidir go mé
one night stands.
Ga a darlaíon le lin trí blian ní bheith so good trí blianaáin bhí me se ná an béí sna crunne bhí mar trí blianaáin.
Trí bliana ní an podcréile a coppla mí ar an bhód.
Trí bliana an bhí past gomsa so tá an artú móra.
Trí blianain bhí mu de lear COVID.
Nasty. So ní ha agad céins cé ete mé síl so gunne ar a timemuid a maithe seo,
Gur maigad Club Chonradh for all the memes.
Thanks for the memories, even though they weren't so great. Murdered Fall Out Boy. Although Vishi Gwine, I don't know and with them he's the Doc Ratchet. Because like New Roche Shin Lin and Oscar faster. Like Mission Shin literally an shacking la tree bliana and Oscar.
Look, Tosha is going shot lost after now. Is going to 1916.
Hilarious.
So plenty of points to be still drank. The 23 days show.
Yeah. Mata sean so good. Mata se bhtí istí mála lia. Na fiú mata bhú go bhéh mála lia. Could be ihe, just chase uhain eile. Like, chance go mé, le codé nas be slua mór tre se an ihe le ceanda agad sláin a fáil lei sin club mar a bhí so gannear. But má súga mórnas le éáil táki. Just a bheith rá se sin bhhaint
Sweetie ar an ihe oscailte sin bé brete goin.
Yeah, sin bhí mar rating and hí an dridú bé se an nós like sitting by like squatters on like just ní feige mu did you like an lead ar gin like
Bé muidir agran bé muidir an cóisiir Caracéad agran fao am sin.
Oh my god. And punches him because that actually is completely. Oh my god, sin mu Christan is don Jerry shafting it. Gur mí maigus at bheith géis the Seansálaithe I'm still like sweet you completely shook me in it lei sin. Gur maiid bhéis an pod seo bhí rá an chatting showing agadí sin which ar na man hosta ar Seansálaithe ar Instagram, Seansálaithe ar Twitter agus Seansálaithe ar YouTube. Gary anyam man host more anywhere Instagram, anywhere Twitter, agus anywhere or TikTok. Gary James Amshire the man hostelta mas dalta to da James na eistla sha ach mas go to Gary James Amshire man mar flyer talk or Instagram flyer talk or Twitter agus flyer talk or TikTok is mas Gary Mahan Amshire man hosta mar Hugh Carrier Instagram, Hugh Carrier Twitter, agus just gra Hugh Car or TikTok. Well in rodada gamma flogal anish solar chain which well, the role I to actually use the much in the Cuir Seanish. Coulter be Gaeilge show is the club one in the Gaeilge. Agus I think like Feliat who's Ceolchoirm show again I'm hearing it. Unreal. So Shin and Fihula done me shaw. So in shafting Riv Drudgeon Shaw or Solar Drudgeon Shaw. So Matthew the Gary Adulta Shaw Uruwan Yala because the Curtu Lashkal. Agus mas Gary Gaeilge acal sa club don am journal like trí bliana. Sean Rudnish an le rud the tar siúil and it's like Sean am journalish like trí bliana. So mas Gary Gaeilge amsú or acal is sa club as God intended more Arthur be majesty halter ar an fiú le the me man for. Sin bhfuil le beir mis flog ach godí sin. Gurmáid bh géisi le chat bhí rás a ríis le seachtain de agran uair tá mis go homlan tongue-tied inis chatting seo. Bun solta deir chatting i bh rás an chatting seo thugaing le agran uair na chatí ach go dtí sin buí solta deir chatting is slán.
Slán.
Bisú.